Welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to solve this problem, which is the question 4 of this year NECO examination. And we told you that the frustum of a cone is given in figure 4.4, and we have to draw question A, the given view, question B, the plan, and question C, full pattern development of the cone. So that's what we are asked to do. Then we have that the circular base of the cone has a diameter of 50 millimeters, and then for us to get this point here is 35. It's 35. The height is 70. So let's go and work this out. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw a vertical center line. So we draw a vertical center line like this. Alright, so then we draw a horizontal center line. Alright, so then the next thing that we have to do is to draw a circle. So we need to draw a circle, so of radius 25. If the diameter is 50, so the radius is 25. So take a measurement of 25 millimeters here on our ruler with the compass, putting the midpoint at the point at the center here, and we draw the circle like this. So we draw the circle. Alright, so having drawn this circle, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So we can make use of our set square to do the division into 12 equal parts. So we draw, and then so we draw this. Okay, so we turn to this side. And then, alright, so we are dividing the 12 equal parts. So we number this point. So this point is 0. So we take this as 1. This is 0.2. This is 0.3. This is 0.4. This is 5. This is 6, 7, 8. So this is 0.9. This is 10. And this is 11. Alright, so then we come up a little bit. So coming up a bit, and we draw a horizontal line here like this. Then we take a measurement of 70 millimeters and 35 millimeters. So the height is 70. So we take 70 millimeters. So this is 70. Okay, so let's leave it like that first. Then, so from this point 0 here, we draw a vertical line from 0. So we draw a vertical line to touch the horizontal line. Okay, also here we draw a vertical line to meet the horizontal line. Then we join this point together, so we join it together with the apex of the cone. So it goes like this. Also, so we draw from here to the apex of the cone, and it goes like this. Alright, so we have that. So then we have to take a measurement of 35 millimeters from the base, 35 millimeters up. So this is 35 millimeters. Then we make this a thick line from here to here. So then, this one is a thick line from here to here. So this part is cut off, and then we make this a thick line. And then we make this a thick line from here to here. Then the base also make it a thick line. Alright, so we have this. Okay, so then we are asked to do something in the plan. So we have drawn the given views, the given view. So now we need to work on the plan. So to do that, so we need to draw a line. So from this point, a vertical line to meet the horizontal line at the base. and we also draw a vertical line up here. So coming to this point, we draw a vertical line, and coming to this point here, we draw a vertical line. Okay, then we connect this point together with the apex of the cone. So this is it. So we also do the same thing here to the apex of the cone. Okay, then here we also do the same thing. So we draw a line, so to the apex of the cone, and here we also draw a line to the apex of the cone. Alright, so this part that is cut off is going to we are going to show it here in the plan. So that's what we're expected to do. Okay, now, so we need to locate point. A point here on this line 3 and 9. So we take compass. So I will take the measurement from here, because this vertical line contains 3 and 9. So we need to do that. So we take this distance like this. So putting at the center here. So we make an arc here and make an arc here. So that gives us 0.3 and 0.9. And then for 4 and 8, so what I need to do is that I will come to this point with my set square. So wherever this line meets this cutting plane meet this line 4 and 8, I will draw a vertical line down. So this point here, so this is 0.4 and this is 0.8. So this is 0.9 and this is 0.3. Then for 5 and 7, I will also come to this point here for 5 and 7. Okay, so here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so it touches 5 at this point and it touches 7 at this point. Then for 6, so we come to this point here for 6 and we draw a vertical line. So it touches 6 at this point. Okay, so it is going to be a straight line for 3 and 9. So this will be a straight line, and with our French curve, we join this point together. So we join this point together with the French curve. Alright, so then we are going to hash this surface. We are going to hash this surface, so to show that it's that part is cut off. Okay. Alright, so that's it. We are done with the plan. Now we go for the surface development as we are instructed. So the seam is here. So here we have X and here we have X. So we are cutting it at this point and we spread it. And don't forget that this point is 0.6. So this is 0.0. So I will be using that. So what I need to do now is that I will just come somewhere around here. So here I will draw a horizontal line like this. So if the apex is labeled 0.0, as we have here, I will also label this point, I will label it as O. So then I'm going to take my, so I take my compass. So I'll take the distance from this point O here, I will take it to 0. So taking this distance like this from this point. So then I will put it at this point O here, and I will draw this line. So here I draw this line. So then next thing I'm going to do is that, so with my compass I'm going to take distance, so 0, 1. So taking this distance. Don't forget that we are opening from 6, so this point will be 0.6. Put 6 there. Then you make 12 arcs on this arc here. So this is 1, so 2, so this is 3. Here we have 4, here is so here is 5, so this is 6, so this is 6, so this is 7, 8, 9, this is 10, and we have 11, and this is 12. So this point will be 6. So what follows 6, 5 and 7? So this is 5, and this point will be 7. Then we have 4. Here we have what? We have 8. So this is 3. Then we have what? We have 9. Okay. So this is 2. So we have what? We have 10. So this is 1, and this is 11. Then we have 0 here in the middle. Then the next thing we are going to do is that we join this point together with all of them. So we join them together with the point O here, which is the apex of the cone. Alright, so we join them. Alright, so we have this. Okay, so now, so the next thing that we're going to do, this part that is cut off, is start from 6 to 9. So we have 6, then 5, 7, 4, 8, and 3, 9. So 3, 9. So that's what we are going to get. So I'll just take my compass. So from point O here, we extend to this point where we have 6. So this is the point where we have 6. So put it at point O here and make an arc on 6, and also here on 6. Then so then to 5, 7. So here is put it here. So make an arc here on 5 and make an arc here on 7. Then to 4, 8 to 4, 8. So we have this point. So this is 4, 8. So put it at this point here, and you make an arc here on 4 and make an arc here on 8. Alright, so then 3, 9. So we have what? We have this point 3, 9. So here we have, this is point 3. So this is point 9. Alright, so what we do here is that for point 9, so you make an arc, you make this a thick line, and for point 3, so from O to point 3, so you make this a thick line. And then, so the next thing is, so we are going to use the French curve to join this point together. Alright, so we join this point together like this, and also we do the same thing on this side. So we join this point together. Alright, so then we make this a thick line, and also make this a thick line. This. Alright, so this is how the surface development will be. So what I need to do is that I need to make this a thick arc, but I can't do that now, so that the work will not be rough. But this is how the surface development will look. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice it to become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you.